Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, in this video, I would like to share with you my most exciting moment in my garden for 2019 spring growing season. So, listen, family, my garden has given me so many beautiful first time moments. Even more moments that I've enjoyed before, but it was like enjoying it again for the first time. But I wanted to just narrow it down to just one moment, just one moment. And this is the moment I came up with. Yeah, check it out, y'all. So it's early in the morning and everything is looking pretty good. They're looking pretty good this morning. See, I have my peas back there. They're coming up. But I planted more peas yesterday. Yeah. Well, today is Friday morning. I hope you are having a beautiful morning. I want to thank you all for stopping by just to hang out for a minute or two. Yes. So of course these are I have bok choys and kales and um, broccolis in here, and they all doing good. All of my fall garden, I started from seed. Everything, except some of the flowers, they just never died from the spring garden. But yeah, they all doing good. Yesterday evening, I came out and I got rid of some of these little eating bugs. I did put some of my spray on it. Yeah, my spray that I use is the lemon oil. I used lemon oil this time. Yeah, I want to thank my beautiful family over there at the Grove Family Network. They are always uh, they are always doing something incredible. But um, they talked about the oil that I make, and he made some. So I am I am just so grateful for them. They are wonderful. They're just a wonderful family. Yeah, the Grow Family Network. That's them. Yeah. But I'm looking forward to this weekend, of course. Yeah, yes. I'm having a lot of family over for the game Sunday. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go over to Champion Square for a little while. Um, if you don't know what Champion Square is a place right outside of the Superdome, and it's where people hang out. Um, and you can watch the game. There is huge uh, monitors, I guess you would call them. They're like 100-foot TVs they have out there. But I'm gonna bring you guys along if I should go, which I think I'm gonna go just for a little while. Yeah, just for a little while I'm gonna go. But anyway, guys, let me just show you some of my little babies. They all coming up. I've still been doing a lot of work out here. Yeah, yep. And that's a flower. Now, when I look at this plant here, I'm talking this one. And sometimes I'm thinking it's a tomato plant, but I don't think it's a tomato plant. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. Here I have some more greens coming up. and they will be looking for a permanent home very soon, very soon. And my one plant of parsley, so I just let it stay. And I'm gonna be planting some more parsley. Yeah. hmm And here's some more, just a couple more coming up here. And tomato plant there. That's cabbage right there. And there is about 3 bok choys back there. One of them, this one here, I may have to, I may have to take some leaves off of that one Sunday. Get me a nice meal and, yeah. And the giant red mustard greens are really looking good back there. And there's a Zena. She all in the mix, but she's in there. And here's cabbage here. That's a black eyed Susie right there. Looks like she's about to put on a flower. Yep. So the other day, my Jada, she put some of these little seedlings in cups. And there's more. And more over there. Yeah. These are my 4 o'clocks. They were open this morning when I came out. And here is another tomato plant. Zena's. Claudia. What is this? I gotta remember the name of that one. But it's a plant. Cabbage, and that is a pepper plant that's coming up. She's looking really good. Yeah. It's a sweet pepper though. Yeah. You look at these cuties. That is gorgeous. She's really pretty. And she's in a pot with some basil. Of course, that's lemongrass back there, and that is a celery. There's a small tomato plant. I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm gonna let it stay. And some more zinnias. The yellow flowers you see right there in the middle. That is 4 o'clocks. There's a tomato plant with a basil. And of course, that's the moringa tree right here, right there. Yeah, she's doing really good. I have to harvest leaves. I haven't harvested in a while. My mama 4 zenith flower. She's looking good. And that's her tomato plant. I staked her up. And here is some carrots coming up. Here is my sweet potatoes. Yeah, I planted these sweet potatoes June 30th. And I think I have my little stick in here somewhere. I know it's June 30th. What is that? Oh, okay. I thought we had a little froggy in there, you know? But anyway, it was June 30th. I planted these sweet potatoes. Yeah. They stay. So this is more celery coming up. Yeah, so that is a pink 4 o'clock, and she closed, but she was beautiful this morning. Of course, that's oregano. Yeah, and that is a Grandpa Out Morning Glory. It's gorgeous. Yeah, they're all over. They are open. They're still open this morning. Look at that. beautiful. Beautiful this morning. And right down here in the mix, there's 4 o'clock plants in there. Yeah. And Zenas. And yeah, y'all see. They're beautiful this morning. Yeah. So this is my hibiscus plants this morning, getting that full morning sun. And you can see she's about to put on some flowers. Probably by Sunday we'll have lots of flowers. Yeah. On this plant. And this plant also. Look at that. Yeah, she's getting ready, y'all. She's getting ready. Oh yeah. And as many Mexican sunflowers I chop down, yeah, she come back. She's gorgeous. And here is my little pot of flowers that I planted with you guys that my friend Sarah sent me. Yeah, so they are really doing well. Of course, the one in the middle, that's Black Eyed Susie, she been there. Yeah, but as you can see, the other ones are really, really doing good. They coming on up. For the ones that want to show up, they're showing up. So here is this is a dead log. Maybe about a couple years ago, lightning struck my tree and this log came down. So I saved it. And as you can see, you know, I planted some seeds in it. The tomato plant is a bok choy. There's a flower back there. And of course, all my little cuttings here are doing really, really, really good. And I have some peppers in this container. They're doing good this morning. Yeah. And just when I was about to take this eggplant down, would you believe we have an eggplant showing up? So I'm gonna let her stay. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Today is
Education Day.
It's Monday. I'm here with my beautiful cousin. Her name is Dooney. Nope, she is not ready to show her face, but she want to say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Huh?
Hello, everyone.
Yes, yes. But listen, guys, I am walking around my garden with my cousin, and we discovered something that is oh so fantastic. Huh, Dooney?
Absolutely.
And I want to show you guys. So listen, this is my artichoke plant in the garden, right?
Absolutely.
So guys, check this out. I hope you can see this, but it's an artichoke. It's an artichoke in there. I hope you all can see that. Oh my goodness, I am over the moon. But it's an artichoke. It's in there. I'm going to take a picture of it if you cannot see it from here. But I have an artichoke.
Beautiful.
And it's in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's there, y'all. It's there. Let's see if you can see it. There it is. Huh? Yay! Wow.